If you're trying to open an application or launch your favorite game and suddenly you see the Microsoft Visual C++ runtime library error, or even after restarting your computer, this is usually easy to fix. We're going to repair it with just 2 simple steps. First, go to Windows Search and open Run. In the Run box, type appwiz.cpl. Once you type it, press Enter and it will open the Programs and Features window. Now look for anything that says Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. When you find it, right-click it and choose Change. A small window will pop up with a repair option. Click Repair, allow it to proceed, and it will start fixing the files related to the Microsoft C++ runtime. This process only takes a moment. Once it's done, restart your computer and check if the error is gone. If the issue still doesn't go away, then the next step is to reinstall the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable completely. So for this, open your browser and search Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Scroll down and click the first official Microsoft link that says Latest Supported Visual C++ Redistributable Downloads. Once you're on the website, scroll down until you reach the section called Latest Supported Visual C++ Redistributable Version. Here, you'll see download links along with the system bit versions. Download the installer that matches your system. If your Windows is 32-bit, download the 32-bit version. If it's 64-bit, then download the 64-bit one. Click the link and it will start downloading right away. When the download finishes, open the file to install it. In my case, I already have it installed and it works fine. But if repairing didn't fix the issue for you, then uninstall your current Visual C++ redistributables and reinstall them using this method. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments whether it worked for you. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.